Good evening, everyone. Myself Danya. Our project is about the renovation of Noyal River using GIS. Noyal River is a small river in western Tamil Nadu. It efficiently provides water to people, but now this Noyal River is transformed into a frothing disaster. The major problems in Noyal River are dissolved solvents from textile industry, sewage mixed into river, illegal boring water, river sand smuggling, red sand smuggling. Here we have solutions for two problems. Akila and Deshwari will explain about the gap analysis with the current solution.
Gap analysis with a current solution. In current solution, using manpower much, but in our solution, not need this. Then feasibility of the current solution is low. In our solution is high. Then high cost in current solution, low cost in our solution. And in our current solution, our method is traditional, but our solution using advanced method, then a traditional. And then solution and use cases. In our solution based on the contaminants in water, and we using a GIS software. GIS is the Geographic Information System. In treating water body in support with Geographic Information System for higher efficiency. And then main impurities in Noyal River is nitrogen and phosphorus. Phosphorus treated prosperous accumulating organism, the PAOS, can absorb dissolved phosphorus from wastewater, and then nitrogen can be removed by the process of nitrification and denitrification, and then the industrial and solid waste can be removed by using sewage net.
And the next topic is target customers. Our product is targeted to public work department, which is very helpful for them because they use manpower to clean the sewages and solid waste floating in rivers. So we use sewage net to clear all the plastic waste. So it target public work departments and non-governmental organizations who are voluntarily cleaning the rivers, like renovating lakes and rivers. For them also it will be more helpful. And aquariums, in aquarium our device will use for water cycling, because in aquariums the water will be wasted, so we can recycle the water accordingly. And next topic is uniqueness and key feature. Our product uniqueness is low cost, because comparing to other wastewater management devices, we need rapid sand filters, slow slant filter, because it needs more requirement area and more cost. So in our product we doesn't need so much of amount to proceed these processes. And a high success rate using GIS, we can use that sewage and sewage net and chemicals in where we need in accordingly, and low manpower required. When we use this sewage net, we doesn't need more manpower, so we can reduce the manpower also, and we cut it off the wages we can provide for mans. And GIS based advanced solution. GIS Geographical Information System, which is used for where we can identify the where our product will be established.
So coming to process flow diagram, a process starts with testing of water and knowing the water properties, what are the ammonium chemicals it contains. Later, we create a solution which counterfeit and makes the solution dissolved solution into a precipitate. And by using a GIS, Geographic Information System, we spot and determine a perfect spot or location to start a solution treatment and treat the water and make the water cycle. And after, when the dissolved solution is being transformed into precipitate, it is being filtered by mechanical filtration such as sewage net, or it is mechanically filtered. Thank you.